I chose EHOVE because it was the most local program. Paramedic students here learn a higher standard of care. We learn more advanced life support, how to start IVs, give certain meds, and how to better care for our patients and serve our communities. Here's EHOVE students loading a patient onto a stretcher. Our course here is approximately a year long. It's 900 credit hours, which is split up between classroom time, clinical time, and capstone time. And there are a few options for employment outside of it, such as private EMS, being a firefighter, paramedic, working as a paramedic in the emergency room, or you can get your paramedic license and do a bridge into a registered nurse program. At EHOVE, we have a simulated ambulance to simulate what it's like to work on a live patient in the back of the ambulance. So my experience in this program have been very wonderful. All the instructors are very knowledgeable and helpful, and I enjoy the amount of hands-on skills that we do in our clinical time. And I feel like this program is preparing me well for my future career.
It's given me the knowledge that I need to be able to further my current career as an EMT.
You should come to EHOVE to pursue your future and dream career. Your future, your career.